Hey there, is your mechanical keyboard producing an annoying spring sound every time you press the spacebar? In this guide on how to fix spacebar spring sound in mechanical keyboard, we'll walk you through simple steps to eliminate those distracting noises and restore your keyboard to its smooth and satisfying glory. Let's dive right in and free your typing experience from those pesky sounds. Step 1. Remove the spacebar. First, you'll need to gently remove the spacebar from your keyboard. Use a keycap puller if you have one, or alternatively, a flathead screwdriver wrapped in tape to avoid scratching. Carefully slip the tool under the edge of the spacebar and wiggle it upwards until the keycap releases from the switches underneath. Be gentle to avoid damaging the stabilizer bars or other components. Step 2. Locate and examine the stabilizer. With the spacebar removed, you'll now see the stabilizer, which helps keep the key balanced. There are different types of stabilizers, but common ones include cherry, co-star, and plate-mounted stabilizer. Examine your stabilizer to identify any obvious signs of wear or damage. You'll be focusing on these components to reduce the spring sound. Step 3. Apply lubricant. For most stabilizers, applying a quality lubricant can go a long way toward eliminating unwanted noise. Use a dielectric grease or purpose-formulated keyboard lube. Apply a small amount of lubricant to the metal wire of the stabilizer, if possible. Also apply a thin layer where the wire slots into the housing and where it contacts the keycap holder. Be sure not to over-apply, as excess lubricant can attract dust or cause a sticky sensation. Step 4. Insert dampeners. For additional noise reduction, consider adding rubber or silicone dampeners to the bottom of the spacebar or even inside the hollow areas if your keycap design allows it. These dampeners, often known as O-rings, can absorb the impact that leads to sound and provide a cushion against the mechanical action, reducing both the spring noise and bottom-out sounds. Step 5. Reassemble and test. Once the stabilizers are lubed and any dampeners are in place, it's time to reattach the spacebar. Align the keycap with the switches and stabilizers and press down firmly until it clicks back into place. Then, give your spacebar a test run by pressing it several times to ensure everything is functioning smoothly and the spring noise is eliminated or significantly reduced. There you go. You've figured out how to fix the spacebar spring sound in your mechanical keyboard. By following these steps, removing the keycap, applying lubricant, and adding dampeners, you can enjoy a quieter and more pleasant typing experience. Remember to handle each component carefully and apply lubricant sparingly for best result. With these simple and effective fixes, you can ensure that your keyboard isn't just a tool but a joy to use. Enjoy typing away on your newly optimized, quiet mechanical keyboard.